Okay, here we are on a chart called WHR, Whirlpool Corp. It is just after the start of the day on the 1st of February. And let's see how this chart does. Okay, so it's just after 10 o'clock. We're going to draw in our opening ranges on this chart, WHR. And we're going to see if we can get a breakout out of the high of the range, this area, or the low of the range around this area, and through the 10 period moving average. Okay, so WHR is breaking through the high of the range. Quite a few nice trades going through. The volume is looking quite good, so I'm actually going to take a long on here, and I'm long at 61.39. Yep, long at 61.39. My stop loss is going to be just around here at 59.50, so around 200 pip stop loss. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, as you can see, the price had pulled back and gave me a sort of a false breakout out of the initial opening range. However, I put my stop loss in quite a good place, obviously below the 10 period moving average. The price has actually broken through the opening range again, and with quite a lot of volume, it's almost gone up and paused at around 63 or 60, almost 63, 50, 64. So what we're going to do now, we'd move our stop loss to just above entry points and just below the 10 period moving average. And let's see how the 10 period moving average holds that area. Okay, trade's looking good. I'm going to move my stop loss again just below the 10 period moving average. I'm locking in about $1.20, $1.30 of profit. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be stopped out, so I'm going to sell at that point, and sold at 62.64. With entry at 61.54, so $1 profit on that trade. Which for 1,000 shares would be a $1,000 profit. Not bad. In fact, fantastic.
Congratulations, you've got mail.
Okay, so we're sitting on the 1st of February, 10:06, and the chart is KTCC. That's KTCC. And we're just going to join the opening range here. So that's the height of the range and the low of the range as well. And what we're looking for is a break of the range, most probably down to the downside over here, around this area. Let's see what happens. Okay, so the price has bounced off the low of the day. The low of the day does act as a support level. So let's see what happens. Okay, now 11 o'clock New York time. You can see the price has held nicely on the 10 moving average. Bounced again off the support level, so this is quite a strong support level over here. And holding nicely within the 10 period moving average. Let's see if we can get above this resistance level at around 810. Okay, so we're currently breaking through the resistance area, and actually at the moment it's looking quite good for a long. I just want to see what the volume's like. Yeah, I'm going to take a buy at this level. Okay, so I'm in long at around 811. Let's see what happens. As you can see here, it's a good example of a false breakout. The share broke out and then straight away sold back into the range. So I'm just waiting to see what happens with this now. Might close it. It is being held by the 10 period moving average, but if it drops below this, then I'll definitely close this trade with a loss. Okay, there I'm going. Selling out of it. A small loss. About 13 cents. So not too bad. But that's the reason why it's so important to confirm the breakout, and just be very, very careful that you don't get caught out in these false breakouts. Which is a real shame, because that was looking like quite a good trade actually.